Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, and today in the Crazy Baker kitchen we're going to be making vol au vents. It's that time of year where you're inviting your friends and relatives round, well not as many as you would normally do, for Christmas and New Year's. And you can do these vol au vents savoury or sweet, whichever you like. Please subscribe and please share. Anyway, we'll get right on with the video. And to start with, you need your favourite stuff, supermarket, or you can make it yourself, puff pastry. So we'll just roll this out. Nice and soft. Just straighten it all out. Now what you do need is a 9cm cutter and a 6.5 centimetre cutter. This is basically the size I'm using, but if you want to make them smaller, then drop them down a size, whichever you like. It's your choice, and obviously it's the same whether you make it sweet or savoury. For me, I don't mind either. We'll fold our pastry over. And just trim it into two. I'll tell you what, I'll do it another method. Straight down the middle. There you go. Right, as you can see, it's very simple. This is actually gone a bit sticky because it's been under all these lights in the studio. Oh, sorry, the kitchen. So all we're going to do is cut out the bottoms. It depends on how much pastry you've got to how many you make. What you need is a fork, and all we're going to do is dock the bases. Right, we'll set them aside. Now, though this pastry, the cuttings, you think you can just throw them away, well no, save them because you can reuse them. You can make an Eccles cake out of them. And I'll show you how to do that in another video, what we do to these. So, now this is our top piece. Once again, make sure it's all nice and straight. And again, all you want to do is cut out your 12, because I've got 12 here. Do you ever get that when your table's rocking about? This one's rocking away today. So don't think I'm on the ocean waves. It's actually the table moving about. Take off all your cuttings. Now for cutting the centre out of the top piece. Just take the middle part out. Try not to get too much flour on the pastry. It's the important part. Otherwise you've only got to brush it off. Hence why I'm saying my pastry is a little bit sticky. Right, now just pick out all the centre pieces. Some people put them on as they are, as the whole piece, and then obviously cut down through and then pull it out the centre after they're baked. But I always do them this way. Now you want to get your oven on now. It wants to be up to 200 Celsius. And now we want is your baking tray. I'm using a baking wire and some baking parchment. We're going to pop our bases onto the tray. You can use water or you can use egg wash. This is actually a mixture between egg and water, 50-50. So you just paste the bases. Just keep them well spaced out on the tray. Now with the lid parts, what you're going to do is pick them up, but you're going to turn them over the other way and then place them down. So you're going to pick them up, turn them over and place them down. Pick them up, turn them over, and place them down. And the reason for this is so, because you've cut down, when you turn it over, the cut is facing downwards, so they come up nice shaped. And now what we're going to do is just push them down gently. And wash them over with egg wash. And there we go. And all we're going to do now is leave this for 20 minutes. So they actually recover. So the actual pastry goes woof and it sort of remembers its pastry and not a bit of dough that's just been cut out. Right, that's 20 minutes. We'll pop them into the oven. They should bake for around about 15 to 20 minutes, but they can take longer depending on your oven. Right, the vol au vents are ready. They've been in the oven for 20 minutes, so they're looking spot on. Now all you need is another wire, and all we're going to do is transfer the vol au vents onto the wire for cooling. And there we go, folks. There's your vol au vents. And for filling, all you do is press down the centre. Like that. It's that simple. You just press it down in the middle and you just fill it. Savoury or sweet stuff, whatever you like. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. Please subscribe and please share, and do check down below in the description for the recipe. Also, you'll find it on my Facebook page at The Traditional Bakery. And do check out my YouTube channel for playlists, because I've got baking and non-baking related videos. And we'll see you again very shortly in the Crazy Baker Kitchen. Laters! This is the Crazy Baker channel. Baking. Lifestyle. Recipes. Reviews. I am the Crazy Baker. Please subscribe and please share. Laters!